Hello and welcome to Cryptonews on the 14th of May 2023.
The top news for crypto is as follows. Now, let's discuss the situation with our banks and the federal. They have informed us that more than 700 banks in America alone are facing significant security and stability risks. It appears that these banks, in large single-digit numbers, have unrealized losses of up to 50% of their capital. To clarify, an unrealized loss means that if you initially bought Bitcoin at $30,000 and it drops to $20,000, you have lost 1/3 of the value of your money, but you haven't sold it yet. This is called an unrealized loss. If you sell, it's called a realized loss. As you understand, many banks have a significant portion of their money in the red. Due to this situation, banks either need to constantly generate money to sustain themselves or sell at a loss to meet their obligations. If not addressed, they may eventually close or declare liquidity problems, effectively shutting down. Moving on, let's discuss the state of Florida, which recently passed a new law authorizing CBDC, central bank digital currency, homesteading. Remember the name Mr. DeSantis because he may play a crucial role in the upcoming American elections. He has signed the CBDC bond, considering CBDCs as a form of government surveillance. I would like to emphasize that this is a form of negative state surveillance, as opposed to the necessary state surveillance we have in a civilized society and country. Bad state surveillance is detrimental to all of us, as you can understand. Furthermore, let's talk about MiCA. According to executives at Circle and Binance VC, venture capital, funding streams in Europe have significantly increased since the release of MiCA. This aligns with what we have been saying for a long time. VCs and large companies interested in investing in cryptocurrencies face difficulties. They are reluctant to invest because they fear potential future legislation that may not work in their favor, leading to financial losses. So that's what all the VCs in Europe and the world have been waiting for, the first legislation to finally come out, so they know how to go about making sure their money is safe. And now that the MiCA has come out and has set the first rules, because they are the first rules, it's still not completely good or bad. VCs know what they need to do and they can come in and invest. We will go to our exchange, and we will go to Nexo, which is closing 2 of their UK headquarters. It's not clear why this is happening. The exchange's spokesperson says he wants to do a reorganization, essentially at the exchange, but I rather think he didn't want to answer questions from reporters. We're going to look at our coins, and we're going to focus on Ethereum today, as it is releasing a new update on the Beacon chain. This update is intended to address the problems it has been having with finalizing on its chain for the last couple of days. I'm hoping everything goes well with this update. Now let's turn our attention to the crypto market, which has been stable for the 3rd day in a row, with the price of Bitcoin holding up very well at our support level. It's a very strong support level, generally ranging between $26,500 and $27,000. Bitcoin is holding very well in this range. Lastly, I want to share some news about ancient Bitcoins that are changing wallets. These Bitcoins were bought 12 years ago. In general, we refer to Bitcoins purchased at least 7 years ago as ancient Bitcoins. This year alone, over 3,000 Bitcoins have been moved, which doesn't involve entire wallets but rather various amounts from wallets that hold thousands of Bitcoins. Let's see what these individuals do with their Bitcoins.
That concludes the top news for crypto today, May 14th, 2023.
Please remember that the content you watched is created for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, only investment opinions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment. We will reply to comments at the end of the episode. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.